More than 100 years ago, two brothers changed the world forever. Today, we discover who invented the aeroplane and how a dream turned into human flight. Part 1. The beginning. Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright. Two simple brothers from Dayton, Ohio. They owned a small bicycle shop, but their imagination was much bigger. They believed humans could fly like birds. People laughed. Scientists rejected them. But the Wright brothers never stopped dreaming. Over. Part 2. The experiments. They studied birds, how wings create lift, how air flows. They built kites, gliders, and small wing models. Every crash taught them something new. Every failure pushed them closer to success. To test wing shapes, they built their own wind tunnel, an invention far ahead of its time. Slowly, their dream began taking shape. Part 3. The first airplane. Annie did say first airplane. They created the world's first true airplane, the Wright Flyer. A wooden frame, canvas wings, a homemade engine, and two spinning propellers. It wasn't beautiful, but it was powerful enough to change history. Viceport, the historic flight. December 17th, 1903, Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Cold winds, a quiet beach, and two brothers standing with hope. Orville positioned himself on the lower wing. The engine started shaking, propellers spinning fast. And then, the impossible happened. The Wright Flyer lifted off the ground, staying in the air for 12 seconds, traveling 120 feet. It was short, but it proved that humans could fly. They made 3 more flights that day, each one longer than the other. Last, from wooden wings to metal jets, from short hops to flights across oceans, everything started with the Wright brothers. Their courage, their failures, their experiments, all combined to create the modern aeroplane. And that is the story of how the Wright brothers gave wings to the world. If you enjoyed this voiceover, like the video, subscribe, and tell me which invention you want next.